Good morning, Rama.
Good morning. Yes.
All right. Today I'm going to ask you some sentences in Nepali. You have to translate them in English. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right. म चिठी लेख्छु.
I read letter.
I write a letter. लेख्छु. I write a letter.
Letter.
हामी झोलाहरू बोक्छौँ.
I carry bags.
We carry bags. म चिया पिउँछु.
I drink tea.
I drink tea. म किताब पढ्छु.
I read a book.
I read a book. उनी घर जान्छन्.
She go home.
She goes. She goes home. म गृह कार्य लेख्छु.
I write homework.
I write homework. बहिनीले ढोका खोल्छिन्.
Sister open the door.
Opens भन्नु पर्यो. He, she, it, sister सँग भफाइ लाउने. Sister opens the door. उनी खाना पकाउँछिन्.
She cooks food.
She cooks food. म फुटबल खेल्छु.
I play football.
I play football. म विद्यालय जान्छु.
I go school.
I go to school. जान्छु. I go to school. मैले चिठी लेखेँ.
I will.
लेखेँ. Simple past.
I write.
Wrote. Verb two.
I wrote letter.
I wrote a letter. मैले भाइलाई बोलाएँ.
Brother.
मैले.
I
called.
brother.
I called my brother. मैले सीतालाई पैसा दिएँ.
I money.
I gave. Subject पछि verb लाउनु पर्यो. I gave money to Sita. मैले किताब पढेँ.
I read a book.
I read a book. मैले चिया पिएँ.
I drink tea.
I drank tea. Okay. मैले खाना खानेछु.
I will eat rice.
I'll eat rice. म फुटबल खेल्नेछु.
I will playing football.
I will play football. म स्याउ काट्नेछु.
I cutting.
काट्नेछु. I will
cutting.
Cutting हैन cut. Will plus भवन. काट्नेछु. I will cut an apple. म उनी नाच्ने छिन्.
She dance.
उनी नाच्ने छिन्.
She dance.
She will dance. नाच्ने छिन्. She will dance. म अंग्रेजी सिक्नेछु.
I will learn English.
I will learn English. उनले मलाई प्रश्न सोध्ने छिन्.
I will ask question.
उनी मलाई प्रश्न सोध्ने छिन्. She will ask me a question. उनले खेल खेल्ने छिन्. उनी she
play football.
She will play
game.
She will play a game. म खाना खाँदैछु.
I eat rice.
Eating. I am eating rice. Okay. हामी विद्यालय जाँदैछौँ.
I go.
हामी.
We.
जाँदैछौँ.
Go.
We are going.
We are going
to school. उनी नाच्दै थिइन्. उनी
she dancing.
She was dancing.
She was dancing.
Okay. म अध्ययन गर्दै हुनेछु. I will be
reading.
उनी खाना पकाउँदै हुनेछिन्. उनी
she will have
पकाउँदै हुनेछिन्. She will be cooking food. उनले कोठा सफा गरेकी थिइन्.
she cleaning room.
गरेकी थिइन्. She had cleaned a room. Okay. उसले एउटा प्रश्न सोधेको हुनेछ. उसले सोधेको हुनेछ. He will have asked a question. हामीले झोलाहरू बोकेका बोके छौं. हामी भनेको we बोकेका बोके छौं. We have been We have been carrying
carrying
a
yeah.
bag. Okay. उनले खाना पकाएको पकाइ थिइन्.
Okay. She will
पकाएको पकाइ थिइन्.
she will have
She had been.
she has been cooking food.
She had been cooking food. Round of applause for her.